So if you want to make a wire transfer here on Coinbase, well, this one is very easy. So this one's going to be really quick. So there's two ways for you to do this. So first is first, you want to open up Coinbase here. But once you are in Coinbase and you've logged in into your account, you want to go and click on the three bar icon you see at the top left of your screen. And in here, it should see your profile. And also at the very top, you should see account and settings. So you want to go and access that. Now, on the next page, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and choose either wire transfer or add a payment method. Now, if you choose add a payment method here, you should be able to see the screen here. Now, in here, you should see the wire transfer option. So you can go and use to deposit or withdraw cash here. So this is for investing large amounts. So you go and just click on wire transfers and just basically enter the 9-digit bank routing number and click on continue here and just follow the on-screen steps. But if you choose the other method here by clicking on wire transfer, this will redirect you to the wire transfer page, which should allow you to either withdraw or deposit. And you could also like view a few things here like the same-day transfers and limited deposits as well. So yeah, so you go and choose either withdraw and deposit and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to make your wire transfer. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.